Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to join, how to search up, and technically how to create an Instagram broad channel, or rather Instagram broadcast channel, okay? So the first thing I want you to do is please hop onto settings very quickly right here. We're going to check on general, offer software update right there. We just want to make sure we have the best version iOS available installed on our devices, because sometimes Apple hinders features once they're not installed at the latest version. Now, it doesn't really matter if it doesn't says iOS 16.6 on your end, just make sure that you have the latest version at the time you're watching this video. So the important part is iOS is up to date. At the very bottom part, you should see that one also on your end, okay? Next one, please hop into App Store right there, making sure that our Instagram account is also updated. Just search for Instagram right there and then click on Instagram application. You should see open message right here, and if you see update, please update it very quickly before proceeding on this tutorial. That being said, please open your Instagram account, and then from here, let me just go back on my landing page. So this should be my landing page for my Instagram account. The first thing I want you to take note of is how to search up broadcast channels and what are broadcast channels. So technically, just search up the any influencer you know. So this is gonna be my sample. Shout out to her, Kristen Dominic. And as you can see here, you see Kristen's live. This is gonna be a broadcast channel. Simply click on that one, and then you'll arrive on this broadcast channel with Kristen. So you can either join or not now. So simply join right there. Click on this one, and you'll arrive on her broadcast channel. So technically, this is just the same as like any group messenger out there or group chat out there. That's the thing. However, this is administrated by Kristen itself. So how to create one? So first thing you want to do is of course hop into your messengers, messages application right there for Instagram, and then from here simply put a broadcast channel right here. As you can see, there are a lot of suggested, and then from here click on this option right here, start a message. Once you start a message, you should see at the very bottom part of the suggested bar, just between to and suggested, there should be a create broadcast channel. If not, that means you're not creator yet, because Instagram only gives that feature with a certain amount of followers and followings, and you need to be verified, okay? So let me just show you what to expect. This is how it looks like. Between to and suggested, there should be this option right here, create a broadcast channel. And that's simply how and what is, or rather how to create a broadcast channel on Instagram. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.